Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to allow Windows to choose which fonts will be hidden based on your language settings. On this channel I post videos about how to find, edit and sell public domain works, free graphic tools helping you to make money online, and software reviews. Check also my Gumroad store where I post a lot of PDFs with many sources from these videos. You might have multiple languages installed on your machine and you want to hide fonts that are not designed for a language set up currently on your computer. You can set out Windows to manage this task automatically for you, so depending on your language, Windows will hide or unhide fonts and you do not have to do anything else. Like with all automatically set solutions, there are some exceptions. Unfortunately, they do not list them, so you might notice that these settings may not apply to all your programs. However, this is still a better solution than to do it manually every time you switch to a different language. So let's go to my computer, this PC, and find the drive where your Windows is installed. Most of the times that is the C drive. So just double click to open and double click again on Windows, scroll down until you find the fonts folder, just double click to open. On the left hand side we have a tab called font settings. Just click on it. Now select the checkbox that says hide fonts based on your language settings and click OK. And that is it. Now Windows will automatically hide fonts that are not of the current language that's set on your PC. In order to do it, just do the following steps in reverse. Unmark and OK. That's pretty much it. If you've got any value out of this video, then consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.